Well, just about a year ago, Prime Minister Narendra Modi here in Bhopal had inaugurated the World Hindi Conference organized by the Madhya Pradesh government to give Hindi language a push. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan had then actually announced the opening of a Hindi language course in technical courses, and a year later it has become a reality. The Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hindi University of Bhopal has actually come up with a course in engineering in Hindi. They offer courses like civil, mechanical and electrical engineering, all in the Hindi language. But unfortunately, this engineering course has not had a very smooth takeoff, and of the 90 seats that were on offer, only 7 seats have been filled. To know more on this, let us now take a look at this report. This is country's first Abhiyantriki Sansthanam. Confused? Don't be. It is country's first engineering course in Hindi introduced by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hindi Vishwavidyalaya in Bhopal. The university offers engineering courses in Nagar, Vaidyut and Yantrik, or civil, electrical and mechanical. But there are few takers. Only 7 students where there is space for 90. Inside the class, just 2 students attending the lecture. 18-year-old Bansidhar Singh has come all the way from Uttar Pradesh to study mechanical engineering here.
और यहाँ पे आप मात्र 7 बच्चों ने रजिस्टर किया है, 2 बच्चे आए हुए हैं जी। तो ऐसी पढ़ाई होती तो लगता है 4 साल पूरे हो पाएंगे इस कॉलेज में कि बंद हो जाएगा? कोई डर नहीं लगता है?
नहीं सर, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है। 2 बच्चे हैं तो आराम से मतलब कि सवाल नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं, अगर केमिस्ट्री मतलब रसायन हुआ, अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो एक बारी सर से पूछ सकते हैं।
मुश्किल होगी नौकरी में? ऐसा कुछ
नौकरी में मुश्किल नहीं होगी सर।
But despite the optimism, the course has its challenges. The university is yet to appoint professors for core subjects, and there is not enough engineering course material in Hindi. The university also wants 4 crores extra from the Madhya Pradesh government for necessary infrastructure like engineering labs.
ये थोड़ा चुनौतीपूर्ण काम है और हमें अंग्रेज़ों को आपने 250 वर्ष दिए, इस देश को 70 वर्ष दिए, हमें 7 वर्ष तो दे दीजिए। महत्वपूर्ण ये है कि अगर एक भी बच्चा आता है तो मैं कक्षा प्रारंभ करूंगा। जब अंग्रेजी माध्यम के सामने चुनौती हो सकती है तो हिंदी माध्यम के सामने भी चुनौती होगी। और मैं तो अपने विद्यार्थियों को मैंने कहा है कि तुम्हें नौकरी नहीं करनी है, तुम्हें नौकरी देनी है।
The university administration is undeterred by the fact that over 90% of their seats in Hindi engineering course is vacant this year. They are hopeful that from next year more students will enroll, and in fact from the next academic year they are planning to start a course in medicine in Hindi. In Bhopal with camera person Rizwan Khan, Siddharth Ranjan Das, 20 TV.